We have heard the word ego many a times and used it also, but I tell you, you don't know anything about ego because this ego is different one. Okay? Hello, welcome back to channel. Today's topic is a very interesting topic from the psychology, and that is Sigmund Freud's concept called id, ego, superego. This is a very general and very interesting topic, so let's start about it. Sigmund Freud explained that in our personality we have three basic things: id, ego. We have heard the word ego many a times and used it also, but I tell you, you don't know anything about ego because this ego is different one. Okay, so let's start. And superego. So let's start about it. What is id? Id is your inner child, what we call it as cravings or basic understandings. Id is like your inner child. It is related to pleasure principle. Very simple. एक बच्चे को अगर भूख लगी है तो वो रोएगा कि मुझे भूख लगी है और मुझे खाना दे दो. Once you will feed that baby, वो चुप हो जाएगा. As simple as that. ये अभी भी हमारे अंदर है. इफ़ यू आर फीलिंग हंग्री, हमें खाना खाना है. सो दिस इज योर इड. नाउ कम्स टू द सेकेंड पॉइंट, ईगो. आई टोल्ड यू वी वेर यूजिंग दिस टर्म वेरी रॉन्ग सिंस द बिगिनिंग. जो हम लोग बात करते हैं वो ईगो नहीं है, उसे हम लोगों ने गलत नाम दे दिया है एज ए ईगो. देन व्हाट इज दिस ईगो? ईगो इज लाइक योर manager. What do you mean by manager? I understand that you have some basic instinct, but that instinct should be fulfilled with some criterias. अब इसका मीनिंग क्या हो गया? You are hungry, आपको खाना खाना है, लेकिन आप कहीं पे भी हो, आप अकेले भी हो, आप खाना परोसोगे प्लेट में और फिर खाओगे. You will not eat it as it is from the pot directly. Why we are doing this? It's because of your ego. So it is like making a right choices for your living thing. Simple. Now come to the third point, that is superego. This superego is like your moral police. Now what is moral police? इसका मतलब होता है ये वो चीज़ें आपसे करवाएगा जो आपको सिखाई गई है that these are right and these are wrong. Your parents taught you that sitting properly for food, eating food in a proper way, not wasting food is a good thing when you are eating. तो आप वही करोगे आपको अगर कोई देख रहा है या फिर ना देख रहा है. So your superego is actually balancing your life with the social norms, with the good thing, with the bad thing, etc. So in short, id wants pleasure, satisfaction, instant satisfaction. Ego wants balance. Yes, satisfaction is necessary, but with what will give you an ego? And superego will teach you, will put you on a strict manner.